Okay, second day of this tournament, and I remember seeing you yesterday, and this is kind of hard to believe. What do you got here? What are you weighing in?
Got another 50-inch fish. Yesterday was 80.2, today is 80.1.
Two 80-pound fish.
Yep, 2 citations.
One yesterday, one today.
Yep.
Unbelievable. And I haven't really heard of that, you know. two in a row. That's pretty incredible.
2 in a row out of the same spot. They must have been brothers.
Unreal, unreal. Doing the same technique, everything. Yep. Same spot, same bait.
Yep, everything.
Everything.
Don't change it if it's working.
Wow, wow. That's just absolutely amazing. And you're using crab and clam.
Yep.
Well, I think that's pretty much what everybody is using. Everybody I've talked to, that's pretty much what they're doing. They're doing a sandwich.
That's what works.
So the exact GPS location that you're fishing.
we were within 50 feet of where we were yesterday. So.
That's incredible. Well, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Great way to start Mother's Day.
No doubt.
Day 2. Watch out, Jazz. Let's see what we got. Y'all already weighed them in?
Nope, not yet.
Oh, not yet?
Nope.
Oh, wow. Man. What do you think, Jazz? Yeah, they taste good, don't they? All right, let's get them weighed in. All right. Did y'all fish overnight? Or just this morning?
Last night.
Last night?
See which one's grass first, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
All right. All right. Nice. That's a nice one.
Another one?
You got name this one? Yeah.
All right. All right, nice fish.
Sweet.
There's some
Are you
monsters.
fishing the cookout? Yeah, all 3 of them. Who was that? Robert.